Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm going to explain you about one of my best trade of 2022. The reason why I consider this as one of the best is because the time taken for to achieve the ROI of 117% is just 3 days. So yes, this is a bank nifty trade which I took last Friday, and I allocated around 4,48,000, and the profit is 5,25,000. So the ROI would be 117%, and this happened in just 3 days. So let me explain you the reason why I took this trade and the conviction behind this trade. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and also go through all the price action videos so that you can learn. And please don't forget to download that free ebook. I have written about how I made 1 crore using price action, so it's free. And let me just explain you everything in detail. Hello guys, so this is the bank nifty chart in daily time frame. So let me explain you the details and the reasons behind and the conviction that I had towards this trade. So you can look at the bank nifty chart here, and you would find this 3 resistance, and at the bottom there were 2 supports, and again this is again 2 supports. It was a very good run from 32,450 area. And let me go to 15 minutes time frame first. So if you look at this bank nifty, it went up, gave a consolidation, it went up again, and this move was very huge, and bank nifty again was due for a correction. So again let me switch that into daily time frame. If you look at this, let me delete this. I don't know why whenever I turn on the recording software it's just getting slow. So what happened, the bank nifty gave a very good breakout from this trend line, correct? This is, you can say that this trend line acts as a resistance. Previously it has given a very good resistance, but now this trend line is broken, okay, and it went up, and it also gave us a very good consolidation. I was patiently waiting for an entry here, somewhere around here, okay, and that is why I did not take any trades in these 3-4 days. So I am not a guy who trades every day, so I was waiting for the right time to get a very good risk reward ratio. So, and also if you notice, this is a gap down, right? This gap has been beautifully filled, correct? So this gap has been already filled, and there is no reason as to why the bank nifty should go down below this, correct? So it also gave a very good breakout in this trend line, and also a beautiful consolidation and retest on the trend line. And so let me go to 15 minutes time frame. So I was very tempted to take a trade on last Thursday itself, that is on 14th July 22, which is okay, just a second. So this is where I was planning to take a trade, but again I was not very sure. So I thought, okay, if on Friday morning if I see a bullish candle, I will enter. That was my plan. But what happened was, on Friday there was a bearish candle, and I couldn't take a trade because again the consolidation could take a lot more time, right? So I was waiting for it, and then during the afternoon session this kind of consolidation started to happen. So if you look at this is kind of a higher low forming, and let me delete this so that, okay. So what happened, when this candle was formed, right, this kind of a hammer candle pattern, this is when I started entering. I chose August 36,000 calls, monthly expiry, not weekly, and the average was 403 rupees and 1000 quantities. So this is where I entered, and on Friday close I was in a decent profit. So my plan was The moment it touches 36,000 is my plan to exit. Okay, so my risk reward ratio based on Nifty, uh, if the Nifty goes below this area, I will exit. That was my plan. So probably around 1 to 1.5 lakhs as a stop loss, and or I am not very sure, guys. It could be also a little bit less. Probably it depends, right? So in options, it totally depends. So my plan was to keep the stop loss below this area. Okay. So what happened the next day? It was a little bit sideways for the first few hours, I think for 2 hours, and then it started moving, and I did not close. I was in a very good profit, I think around 2.5 lakhs, I guess. And the next day it gapped down. I did not close. I think the profit was around 1.75 or something like that. And again 2 lakh profit, and again it came down from 2.8 to again 1.75 lakhs profit. I did not exit because my goal was to exit only if, when it touches 36,000, and that is the reason why I chose August series as well. Yeah, the next day what happened, that is today which I'm recording, it touched the 36,000 and I exited at 917 exactly here. So the total profit was 3,25,000. I consider this as one of the best trades in this year 2022, mainly because of the ROI, right? More than 100%, and the time it has taken is just like Friday I took this trade, and on Wednesday I'm closing this. Probably like 1 2 3 main trading session. Okay, so this is a very good trade which I took. I patiently waited. I did not, so that is the main thing. I did not enter anywhere here thinking that the consolidation is over, or even in this candle I was waiting for the retest, and I was waiting for some kind of a confirmation. So this is why I entered here. And yeah, this could have gone wrong too. I could have hit stop loss too, but fortunately it went as per my plan. And for now, okay, so when I exited here during the morning, what happened was Banknifty moved up a little bit, and it is still consolidating, although it is slightly on the sideways trend. The decay hasn't been much. It is still holding strong. I kind of missed like 70 to 80,000 profit. That I'm completely fine with that, because I want to lock in the profit first, because more than 100% is huge for 2 to 3 days, right? So let me lock the profits, and even I'm ready to re-enter whenever there is an opportunity. I have no plans for now. I have to watch the price action, how it is moving. Probably if it gives another consolidation, I might re-enter. So this resistance, one of the main reason why I exited is because I want to see, because this is a crucial day, the day which I'm recording today. What could happen is this area there could be a resistance, right? The entire day it can show some bullishness, but at the end of the day it could go down, correct? There is a possibility, so I don't want to lose profits on that. In case if it stays bullish, probably it totally depends. I'll try to re-enter only if it is bullish. So because this is a huge trend line, so if it is breaking out of this, meaning Bank Nifty will move up further. So yeah, this is the rationale behind this trade, guys. A neat and simple trade. The Bank Nifty was quite trending, giving a consolidation, and again a very good move, consolidation, and again it has given a good move. So basically this was my entry and this was my exit. So I'm happy with the entry and the exits so far. Even if it moves above, I'm completely fine, because my my entry, I mean my plan was to exit around 36,100, and I didn't think I would achieve this in 2 or 3 days. I thought it would take at least a week or something like that. I was prepared for holding the trade. Okay, so but I'm happy it reached very soon. So yeah, So this trade which I took is entirely based on price action, and if you are looking to improve your price action skills, I would definitely recommend my JFT membership, where you will go through a lot of videos where I explain a lot of trades. This is how you improve your skills, learning small details, and that's how you improve your trading skill as well. So if you are interested in joining, please visit my website justfortraders.in, and you will find all the details. Thank you so much. If you want to post more videos like this on bank nifty options or nifty options, please let me know in the comment section. I want to know if this video is helpful. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and also please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you soon with another video. Thank you so much.